Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to start now. Check the case and earbuds have at least 20% charge. A dead battery stops everything. Once charged, place both earbuds in the case and close the lid for 5 to 10 seconds to force a basic restart. This clears transient software hitches. Make sure to open the case and note any LED behavior, steady, blinking, or color change, because that tells you the device state. If your model has a dedicated reset button, get a paperclip or fingertip ready and hold it as directed. Now perform the actual reset. Press and hold the touch sensors or reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED sequence confirms a factory reset. Different models use multi-tap patterns, so hold until LEDs blink or change color. Once the reset finishes, the earbuds will drop paired profiles. That's why you must delete the old Bluetooth entry on your phone first. After you reopen the case, set pairing mode and pair like new. This cleans corrupted settings and forces a fresh firmware handshake. Finish by repairing. Put the earbuds into pairing mode and select them on your device, then accept any pairing prompts. A successful connection indicates the reset worked. Once paired, test audio, microphone, and left/right balance to verify normal operation. If problems persist, fully charge both earbuds and the case, repeat the reset sequence, and check for a firmware update in the manufacturer app. Updates often fix known issues. If you still have trouble, try resetting with another phone to rule out host device Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.